This is gorgeous out here, y'all. Nature. Look at the trees behind me. Oh my God. This is nice. This is really nice. This is what you call peace. At the same time, walking and enjoying fresh air and just thanking God. That's right, thanking God. Whew. The girl getting tired though. I'm getting tired. I can use an exercise, it's fine. Oh, okay. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. I'll catch y'all in about 15 minutes. Let me get some breath. Let me catch my breath and just take this all in, y'all. Give me about 15 minutes. Bye-bye. I'm back. I had to sit down, y'all. Ooh, this walk ain't no joke. Your girl is out of shape. But it's all good. I got to get myself together, get my fitness journey back on for the 2023. It's fine, but I'm at peace. I like this. I didn't think that I'll be able to handle the walk, and I did. Well, I'm halfway there. I'm not all the way there yet, but I feel good. My heart is pumping. I'm getting some circulation going on, so I'm feeling good. I just want to check in again and just let y'all know, it's nothing more greater than peace and being outdoors and being free and just, enjoying what God has to offer. His greatest creation is this earth. His greatest creation, and he allowed us to enjoy all of this. It's beautiful out here, y'all. I'm at Everglades National Park. I'm on this trail, and I got about another 15 minutes to go. I'm going to get there, hopefully without any more stops. And I'll let y'all know when I'm halfway there. Well, I'm halfway there, but I'll let y'all know when I'm done. How about that? All right, y'all. Stay blessed.